There are so many creative and capable bloggers out there in this world. Many amongst them lack the proper information like which appropriate web hosting brand to go for according to their budget, or how to select a blogging platform from the plethora of options like WordPress, Blogger, Weebly, Wix to name a few. Hey there, this is Skillsheen, and in this video I'll show you a web hosting company which is inexpensive and on paper offers unlimited resource for a website. This is good for beginners to scale up their skill in the field of web hosting. I will be discussing about this web host, the services, backend information, panel UI, important notice, advantages and disadvantages. I had to change the channel name due to some name conflictions. So let's get started. Before showing you the brand, I would like to say that this isn't a sponsored content and the review is honest. After testing the platform for 1 full month, I have mentioned a link to the website performance in the video description. You may check that out. Let's see some review. As this platform is a bit unpopular and new, there aren't many reviews out there. So this is the website and we are testing upon that. And always remember to read the terms of service, privacy policy and refund policy before making any purchase. I have attached an archived copy of their policy in the video description. This refers to the policy as on 14 July 2020. Let's jump on to buying their service. I'll create my account here. Fast forwarding everything, you will get an email from them regarding the server info and cPanel login ID after successful transaction. Yes, this host uses cPanel as manager. If you want Plesk or Webmin, this ain't be your choice. In this mail, let's copy the name servers. As you can see, there is only one IP, which is a bit skeptical as there isn't any downtime protection if this IP fails. Normally, they will mention 2 different IPs with 2 different name servers. Follow this video, executing all the necessary steps. Let's ping the web address of this test website using CMD. As you can see the highlighted IP, we are getting the information of this IP. You can see that this belongs to Contabo, Germany. As per 14 July 2020, this brand uses Contabo servers, which is excellent. Contabo is a huge German hosting brand. Note that I am not using any CDN services like Cloudflare to accelerate the load times. The performance is raw from the host and compared to the price is really impressive. Also see that you are getting unlimited storage and bandwidth. For the reason, this is awesome. Let's upload an image. And uploading the image in home screen and check the load time. The load time, as you can see, is appreciable. I didn't use the cached version to load. You can also host Ruby, Node.js and many other scripts with this host. There is also an email facility bundled with this package, which I will not be showing you in this video. Coming on to advantages, it really has low price packages with unlimited resources. cPanel is without ad, server based on Contabo, which increases the reliability and brand reputation. Load time is really impressive as for now. There is backup facility they have mentioned, which is rare to find for this price. Disadvantages are, as said, there is only one name server IP. It really isn't a major issue but may prone to downtime. As the brand is very small, there isn't much reviews out there. Sometimes brand like these which offer unlimited resources for such a low cost tends to go out of business, so ensure backup regularly. Currently the company is handled by very small team or maybe individual, so support in huge numbers will get delayed heavily. So yes, you can really go ahead and transact with this hosting company. The hosting is based in India, but if you are from other part of the world, you can use CDN like Cloudflare to decrease the latency. I'll come up again with another video with different but reliable and low cost hosting company. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.